First of all, we enter the state of ihram at one of the 5 Miqats. There you put on your ihram garment, express the intention to perform Hajj, and you start your journey towards Makkah. There you first perform the welcome tawaf, then pray 2 units at Muqam Ibrahim. Perform sa'i between Safa and Marwa, and then call out with talbiyah. Now next move to Mina and stop there to pray and read Quran. From there now move towards Arafat. Stay there at Arafat and ask Allah for His mercy. From there move to Muzdalifah, where you perform Maghrib and Isha, rest for some time and set off to Mina again before sunrise. Once you reach Mina, stay there and stone the devil after reciting takbir on every toe. Afterwards, sacrifice your animals, complete shave your head or clip your hair. Then return to Makkah from there and perform the farewell tawaf.